Everybody, my name is Chris. Today I present you the new installer. The name is Yosemite HD. This installer is very powerful because it's deploy Macintosh HD on your select volume. OS 6 10.10. It's not the USB installer, it's a deploy installer on your HDD or SSD. I show you all process now with how to using this installer and what you need. You need the empty HDD or empty SSD. And if you have the disk name Macintosh HD, just rename it before, okay? Because there's no confusion with this installer. You see here I'm using this HDD and I just rename before HDD. And what you need the empty drive, okay, internal drive. You need the installer OS 6 Yosemite from the Mac App Store, not the internet. And you need the OS 6 10.10 for using this installer, because this installer not works on OS 6 10.9 platform or 10.8. You need to using this installer on Yosemite with the real Mac or the Macintosh PC or laptop. So I repeat, this installer works only on Yosemite 10.10. Now you have download the image and you just open the DMG and you drag and drop the installer Yosemite HD on your application folder, okay? And you go to the launchpad and you start installer. You see here installer Yosemite HD. The program you're about to run will create installer OS 6 Yosemite to deploy Macintosh HD on your select volume. Any data you have on the volume will be lost when it's created. So this drive is format on one partition. You not need to format the drive. The drive is format automatically. So
welcome Yosemite HD.
Okay, so I select my volume is I just eject one before, so I eject after. So I select the volume HDD for the installation. You see, I'm just eject my DMG. So the OS install is start. You see here, and the volume is renamed for the first time Yosemite HD, and the process is start. This time is not the real indicated time. Depends. One time is indicate 60 or 70. So don't worry about that. Okay. The process is start. Now you see the installer need your password. You just type your password and the process is starts on this volume. For now is nothing on that, you see, but at the end, just at the end, the post installer start for downloading and you okay to download the post installer and the process is finished at this time. But sorry for my English, I'm a French Canadian and I do my best to explain to you on English, but I told you guys, this installer is the best one I'm using on the Macintosh and OS 6 Yosemite, because it's not the USB installer. the install OS 6 Yosemite, it's the deploy on your select volume, and you just need to reboot after installing Clover. You just need to reboot, and you enter the name and the password, and you're on desktop Yosemite 10.10 or 10.10.1. And I show you the POS installation when the POS installer is coming. For now, I'm going to the time. It's about 10 or 12 minutes, depend the speeds of your drive. If you're using the SSD, it's very fast. It's about 8 or 10 minutes. Now I'm using the normal HDD, and it's about 12-13 minutes, and all process and OS 6 install is deployed on this drive. Okay, the installer is almost finished, and you just need to wait at the end, because you have a pop-up here for the POS installer starting. And when it's finished, this window is closing, and the all process is finished. And now don't stop, never stop this process. Okay, just wait at the end. And now it's almost finished, and you see he renames my drive Macintosh HD. That's why if you have a drive named Macintosh HD, you need to rename it before using this installer, because there's no confusion, and it's okay. You just need to rename the drive. And you see now the end. You see the drive is renamed Macintosh HD, so the process is complete. Now I'm downloading the POS installer. I'm just type my password, and the POS installer is start to download. You see here, it's right on my desktop, POS installer Yosemite HD. So for using this installer, you need the good connection internet, the working internet connection. That's it. And this is the status, all the process downloading. After you just put this on the garbage, it's just the indication of the internet downloading. I told you guys, it's a very impressive installer, and I'm create this installer, and I'm very proud of that, because it's finished the time using the USB drive, and reboot, and it's not boot, and post the picture, it's not work, try to boot. No problem with this installer, because it's right on. The installation is complete on this drive. This is the first time. I never see you never see this on a real Mac and the Macintosh PC. You see, the process is complete, and now I show you the drive. Presentation by name. This is installed. You just need to type your password, and you reboot, and you're on desktop. You see, you have no user folder. You just need to create the user folder. It's the same thing here. You see my user folder? When I reboot the folder, the user folder is created, the user account. Now you have the POS installer. You click continue. It's a continue, accept. You change the destination. You choose Macintosh HD, your new drive, and the personalization. You select your support Clover, and I say thanks the Clover team, Slice, and all developer Clover team for the amazing bootloader Clover i3049. And now this build is not updated, but it works very good. Lots of guys are testing this installer with Clover 3049, working great. And if you have the UEFI motherboard, you select UEFI. If you have board Legacy, you select Legacy, or the mod ESP-FE system partition. This is for the post installation. You're not using this for now because the kex not load. The kex is load after when you're on desktop. You select your post installation. Now you just need the bootloader for booting this OS X. And if you want using the original Clover package, you have the choice to, but this package is created by me with the Clover bootloader. So now I'm just show you, and this is the app folder. This app folder is here on my desktop. I'm not select because I have one. Contain this folder: Clover configurator, flat package editor, HW monitor, your registry explorer, kex wizard, show all files, show item file, trim enabler Maverick, and trim enabler Yosemite. So this is the app folder. Now I select Clover mod UEFI and I install on Macintosh HD. I just type my password and I show you the UEFI installation. You see the drive, the mount, my partition FE, and Clover is installed on mod UEFI. No file, no boot file, any boot file installed on the select volume, just the Clover file on the FE partition. That's it, guys, and the kex is just the fake SMC. This is the pure vanilla installation. You don't have any kex on your drive. So now you just copy the post installer on application on your new Macintosh HD utility. You paste here, just type the password and you paste the post installer. When you reboot, you just copy this on your new desktop and start the post installer with your select option. And I show you how to using the kex for the post installation. And now you select on your volume. It's so the volume, it's the new volume. If you want to change, you select your volume, Macintosh HD, personalization, the bootloader not named because you have right now installed the bootloader. So you select your audio installation. For my Z87X UD5H gigabyte motherboard, it's a ALC 898, and my networks, it's a Intel gigabyte Ethernet. That's it, that's all. My kex USB 3 and null CPU, I don't need that, and I need just the fake SMC or this one with the plugin, because if I want the plugin, I need the plugin for the HW monitor, because HW monitor, it's here on the app folder. You need to drag and drop on the application, and HW monitor, it's here. Where is it? HW, it's here, HW monitor, and I start my HW monitor by this folder. This is how to using the post installer, and it's not complicated, guys. And I told you this is installer. This installer works very good, and it's very easy now to install OS 6 Yosemite with this installer. Now I just eject this FE partition. This is my FE on my Macintosh HD. And that's it, guys. This is my video, and this installer is on my GitHub here, the Yosemite HD. If you want to download with the GitHub or download on Anson Mac, I say thanks, guys. Thanks all developer for the kicks, audio kicks, internet kicks, and the application. And I say thanks the Clover team for the amazing bootloader. And I hope you a great Macintosh guy with 610. See you next time. Bye bye.